23. The table shows the relationship between the number of hours Stacy works and her earnings. Liam earns $300 for 9 hours of work. Karen earns $525 for 15 hours of work. Whose earnings show the same proportional relationships as shown in the table? Remember, proportional relationship means y divided by x. So I'm going to divide my y, which is 300 for Liam, 300 divided by my 9. 300 divided by 9 gives me 33.33. So $33.33, repeating, per hour. Karen earns $525 in 15 hours. This is equal to 35. Okay, so we have how much Karen earns and how much Liam earns, and we have to see which one of these matches it. So I need to take the money of 140 and divide it by 4 to see what answer we get. This is equal to 35. And I'm going to double check for all of them. So I'm also going to do 245 divided by 7. Gives me 35 as well. And then 385 divided by 11 is 35. Therefore, Karen matches the same proportional relationship as Stacy